This is a species that used to be very common in the Hudson River. It would come up in the winter under the ice to spawn. Hi, my name is Jeremy and I'm the curator at the New York State Museum Fish Lab, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Atlantic tomcod and its unique rapid evolution in the Hudson River. So generally you don't want to eat any fish coming out of the Hudson River, but this one you might want to steer particularly clear from. This is called an Atlantic tomcod. This is a species that used to be very common in the Hudson River. It would come up in the winter under the ice to spawn, which is kind of unusual. But the populations took a big hit from the PCB contamination in the river and they plummeted. But then all of a sudden they started making kind of a comeback and people were interested as to why this might be. They did genetic studies and actually found that the Hudson River population is unique in that they had developed a mutation, a very small mutation in a receptor for PCBs that initiates the breakdown of those contaminants into even more harmful products that was leading to the decline in the population. And when they looked at wider populations, they found that this mutation was nearly or completely absent. So the Hudson River population is unique in that and kind of demonstrates the ability of a single mutation to induce very rapid evolution. There's a downside to this in that since they no longer break down PCBs, they actually concentrate them more in their tissues. So larger predators that eat these, they get amplified effects from those PCBs themselves because they don't have that tomcod special mutation. So this is just one of the unique evolutionary ecological stories that fishes in New York, as well as specimens in our collections, are able to tell us.